welcome to my channel 7 Color, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. It's happy Halloween, and I am really happy because I know kids are going to come up in the evening to get candies and all the craziness. And today we're going to do this paint set that I got from Dollar Tree. It was $1 and it comes with everything. It says right here it includes one coloring panel, one paintbrush, 4 paint colors, and 1 easel. So you can finish the painting and then display your art on that easel. How cool it is. I am really excited to try it on. Let's go ahead and open the package and see what kind of materials we got inside and how the paints look and how the brush look. So let's get back onto the table. Enough of my face. Let's get onto the table and let's start. Let's take the painting out. Alright guys, so here we are focused on the painting. So let's go ahead and open it. And I'm so excited because this was only $1 at Dollar Tree. I mean, everything at Dollar Tree is $1. But I was really excited to find this kit at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to be very mean to this packaging and just rip it open. So here's the little easel. Okay, perfect. And we'll keep this aside for now. And that is our panel. It's cute. It is so cute. And you can see the painting right here. And we are going to color it exactly the way it is here. So I'm not going to change anything. Let's go ahead and remove the paintbrush. I'm not a big fan of this plastic paintbrush, if you can see. I have a ton of them. I usually use plastic brushes to apply glue, even glue. So for this video, I'm going to cheat and use this paintbrush from one of the other kits that I purchased, and I have the video and I will link that video in the description for you guys to check out. I am going to use that brush and the cute little paint. I'm so excited. These are so cute and so small. Let's go ahead and open one of the packs. Ooh, this is hard. Hard. Perfect. Oh wow, the purple is so vibrant. So let's go ahead and start coloring the panel. And let me move all this craziness. Actually, I'll keep this for reference for me. And I'll paint this for you guys. And additional you will need is a bowl or a container with a little bit of water to wash your brush in between changing paints, and a paper towel to wipe your brush down if you got excess water or when you wash your brush. So that's all you need. And alright, so let's begin coloring, and I'm going to start with coloring a purple pumpkin first. And these colors are so vibrant. I am really excited with the quality of the paint, and it is really beautiful. And I am really happy how it's painting on the canvas. The quality of the canvas is also really beautiful.
we're going to color the other pumpkin orange, and let me tell you guys, it was really hard to open this tiny little bottles of paint. It was really hard, but the paint is absolutely beautiful, and it takes away the pain of opening these little bottles. And while we are using the orange, I'm going to go ahead and finish coloring the orange mouth and nose and eyes for the purple pumpkin, so that we are completely done with the orange paint at once. So next we're going to color the leaves of both the pumpkins, and we're going to color this vibrant green. It is so beautiful. I love the color. I can't stress enough how beautiful these colors are. And finally we are done with green, and we are going to do our last color, and that is black. We'll start with the orange pumpkin and color the facial expressions, the eyes, the nose and the mouth, and then we'll go ahead and color the stripes on the purple pumpkin black tip. Here you're going to see that I'm trying to use the plastic brush that came with the kit, and I am not a very big fan of it, and it did not work great for me, so I went back to the brush, the regular brush again that came in the other kit.
So here we have the completed painting. Let me put it on the easel right here, and I hope you guys can see the painting. And here is the one that came on the package. It looks almost the same, because the colors did differ from the painting, which is okay, but I have a ton of color left. I am so oopsie. Let me not knock it down. Let me put this on the side right here, and I hope you guys can see it. And I already messed it up. Oh, never mind, I'll fix it. So I still have a ton of color left, guys. This is a really good kit. I felt the colors were so vibrant. They were amazing, and I am really happy how this painting turned out. And it took me about 20 minutes to color this painting, but younger kids will take about an hour or so, and it gives them a lot of playability for this painting and for this kit. And there are tons of kits at Dollar Tree, similar to these, which they can which you can buy them, and which you can buy for yourself too. I mean, 20-30 minutes of relaxation is really good. But if you're looking for something for kids, this has amazing playability. It includes everything. You really don't have to invest into something else. I would highly recommend though that you give them a better brush than this one. It is really bad, and you saw me trying to work with it, but I really can't do it. I know some of you guys might be able to do it, but it's just not my cup of tea. I can't paint with the plastic brush. So I would highly recommend if you can get them another brush. You definitely will get something at Dollar Tree, but this is really, really, really a good kit, nice and sweet, and something you can do when you're relaxing watching TV. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel as of yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I am sure you won't be disappointed with all the tons of videos that I am going to post, and I have some of them on my channel. Please do watch the videos. And while you're subscribing to my channel, hit that bell button to stay in the loop of all the new videos I post. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do Dollar Tree kits, more and more Dollar Tree kits, and leave me in comments your suggestions and your questions, and I'm definitely going to answer each and every one of you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.